Dear friends, welcome to your personalized podcast. Today, we dive into Meta's latest innovations from the 2024 Meta Connect conference, OpenAI's structural shifts amid executive departures, Volkswagen's AI integration with Google, and Amazon's Project Amelia for third-party sellers. We also explore Quorum's funding to enhance digital media, Nvidia's acquisition of OctoAI, and the impact of Federal Reserve rate cuts on fintech startups. At the 2024 Meta Connect Developer Conference, Chief Executive Officer Mark Zuckerberg unveiled several new products and features. The Meta Quest 3S mixed reality headset was introduced, priced at $299, featuring upgrades like spatial audio by Dolby Atmos and remote desktop capabilities for Windows 11. Meta also previewed Hyperscape, a feature allowing virtual recreations of physical spaces. Meta announced its latest artificial intelligence model, Llama 3.2, which understands images and text and includes voice capabilities with celebrity voices. New artificial intelligence features include real-time language translation and automatic video dubbing. Zuckerberg also introduced upgraded Ray-Ban smart glasses with enhanced artificial intelligence interactions and a prototype of Orion, Meta's first true augmented reality glasses using light diffraction for holographic displays. Meta's advancements in mixed reality and artificial intelligence aim to create immersive digital interactions, though challenges like cumbersome hardware and data privacy remain. OpenAI is considering restructuring into a for-profit business while retaining its non-profit segment separately. This move aims to simplify investment and provide liquidity for employees. Recently, Chief Technology Officer Mira Murati announced her departure after 6.5 years, followed by research leaders Bob McGrew and Barrett Zoff. Murati cited the need for personal exploration and a smooth transition, while Altman noted their independent decisions. OpenAI, backed by Microsoft, is seeking a funding round valuing over $150 billion. Thrive Capital plans to invest $1 billion, with interest from Tiger Global, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Apple. Despite rapid growth since ChatGPT's release, the company faces executive turnover and safety concerns. Murati briefly served as interim CEO after Altman's ousting, only to return when he was reinstated. The company continues to navigate challenges amid its expansion. Next, we'll be discussing the app's security features. Volkswagen of America has partnered with Google to enhance the vehicle owner experience through generative AI. Using Google's Gemini and Vertex AI capabilities, Volkswagen has integrated a virtual assistant into its myVW app. This assistant allows owners of My24 Atlas and Atlas Cross Sport vehicles to access critical information and services effortlessly. For example, users can ask questions like, "How do I change a tire?" and receive immediate answers from the app, which sources information from owners' manuals, FAQs, and videos. This AI integration aims to improve customer experience and loyalty by simplifying tasks traditionally managed through manufacturer apps, such as remote start and diagnostics. The myVW app's interface even allows users to identify dashboard indicators using their smartphone cameras. As generative AI becomes more prevalent, Volkswagen's collaboration with Google highlights the growing trend of integrating advanced AI tools into consumer products to enhance usability and support. OpenAI's Chief Research Officer Bob McGrew and Research VP Barrett Zoff resigned, following CTO Mira Murati's departure. CEO Sam Altman announced this, emphasizing the decisions were independent and amicable. Mark Chen is promoted to SVP of Research, partnering with Jakub Pachocki as Chief Scientist. Matt Knight becomes Chief Information Security Officer, while Kevin Weil and Srinivas Narayanan continue leading the applied team. Josh Akyem is now Head of Mission Alignment. Altman plans to focus more on technical and product aspects, assuring staff that leadership changes are routine despite their abruptness. McGrew and Zoff expressed confidence in OpenAI's future. Their exits follow OpenAI's shift towards a for-profit model and high valuation, raising questions about internal disagreements. Recent departures also include prominent scientists Andrej Karpathy and Jan Leke. Only 3 of OpenAI's original founders remain. Amazon has launched Project Amelia, a generative AI assistant for third-party sellers on its platform. Designed to boost productivity and sales, Amelia is currently in beta for select United States sellers. This AI assistant, built on Amazon's Bedrock platform, offers personalized insights and 24/7 support via Seller Central. Sellers can ask questions like, "What are the top things I need to prepare for the holiday season?" and receive tailored advice on inventory and promotions. Amelia can also provide sales data summaries and help resolve complex issues such as logistics problems. By streamlining business operations, Amelia aims to reduce the time sellers spend on management, allowing them to focus on growth. The AI will gradually roll out to more United States sellers and expand to other countries and languages later this year. And now, pivot our discussion towards startup stories. Quorum, founded in 2019, aims to enhance programmatic media optimization to rival closed platforms like Google and Meta. Recently, they secured a $2 million seed round from investors, including Crush Ventures and Dudley Fund. Quorum addresses the challenge faced by legacy media organizations such as newsrooms and TV studios, which struggle to compete for ad spend in the digital landscape. CEO Ezra Doty, with experience at Universal Music Group, Turner Broadcasting System, and the Philadelphia Inquirer, emphasizes that traditional ad revenue sources are dwindling, coinciding with the rise of digital giants like Google. Quorum tracks 80 million unique mobile IDs through opt-in physical mobile behavior, using Apple's IDFA and Google's GATE. Their proprietary geofencing technology allows precise tracking of consumer behavior around branded store locations. This data is universally accessible across major DSPs like The Trade Desk, Google DV360, and Xandr. Quorum's unique pixel technology enables advertisers to target consumers based on physical store visits, offering performance comparable to Google or Meta, without the need for cookies or pixels. The recent funding will help Quorum expand its features and client base, focusing on the growing potential of CTV advertising. OctoAI, a Seattle software startup, has been acquired by Nvidia for over $250 million, including incentives. OctoAI specializes in tools that build and run generative AI models efficiently. The startup, founded by University of Washington researchers, developed OctoStack, a comprehensive tech stack for generative AI. Initially known as OctoML, it aimed to help companies deploy machine learning models across various hardware. With significant backing from investors like Tiger Global Management and Madrona Venture Group, OctoAI raised over $132 million since 2019. Nvidia, a dominant player in AI hardware due to its GPUs, has made multiple AI-related acquisitions this year. The deal aligns well with Nvidia's strategy to enhance its AI capabilities. OctoAI's CEO Luis Cese and his team will join Nvidia, contributing to machine learning compilers and cloud infrastructure. This acquisition underscores the growing trend of larger tech companies acquiring AI startups for their talent and technology. OctoAI's customers include major firms like AWS and Google, and it had already collaborated with Nvidia earlier this year. Next, we'll be discussing the impact on venture capital. Last week, the United States Federal Reserve's decision to cut interest rates by half a percentage point brought a sigh of relief for fintech startups that depend heavily on loans for their operations. Companies like Ramp and Coast, which provide corporate credit cards and make money through interchange fees, benefit as they front the money through loans. Lower interest rates mean better loan terms, enhancing their cash flow. Affirm, a buy now, pay later company, exemplifies the impact of interest rates on fintechs. Buy now, pay later's pay merchants upfront, later collecting payments from customers without charging interest, generating revenue from merchant fees. Higher interest rates previously hurt Affirm, but lower rates could rejuvenate their business model. Caribou, offering car loan refinancing, and other lenders like GoodLeap for solar panel loans and Kiavi for home investors, stand to gain from reduced funding costs. They can pass on savings to customers, boosting loan origination. Fintech startups in the mortgage sector, such as Rocket Mortgage and Better.com, could see a resurgence if the Federal Reserve continues to cut rates, potentially spurring a wave of refinancing and new mortgage tech startups. That's a wrap for today's updates on Meta's latest tech, OpenAI's leadership changes, and Volkswagen's AI integration. Stay tuned for more updates. Dear friends,